Hello from Oldham Volkswagen. Here we have the approved used Volkswagen Polo Match Edition 1.0 at 75 PS TSI in a fantastic pure white finish. This incredible car has been kept in outstanding condition inside and out, and it does come with a 2 years Volkswagen approved used warranty. As you can see, we do have the 15-inch alloy wheels that do complement the exterior finish really well, giving the car a bit of a stylish look to it. And the wing mirrors are electric and do fold in when locked to provide safety for the vehicle, ensuring they don't get damaged in any way, along with a sleek grey privacy glass giving the car a sporty look, contrasting well with that exterior finish. And accessing the back of the car through the front, like so, as it is a 3-door. You can see the back is very spacious. You've got tons of room to bring family and friends along, just ensuring that they are comfortable as well. Now, so if we come out of this and we make our way all the way around to the back, we can then access a very spacious boot size. It's quite big. You can fit stuff like gym bags inside or even a weekly shop. And if you do require any additional height, we do have the offer to additional storage space underneath. And then if we just lift that up, you'll notice we also have space for a spare wheel as well. And just accessing the front directly, you can notice we have the black cloth interior upholstery, which really does create a stylish look to the car. We have the multifunction steering wheel there as well, and the car's very spacious for you to enjoy. Now, this has been the introduction part to the Volkswagen Polo Match Edition. If you'd like any further information on the car or would like to have a look at the car for yourself, please don't hesitate to give us a call on 0161 825 8520. And just to mention, you do get that 2 years Volkswagen approved used warranty, just to add a bit of reassurance to your purchase. If you'd like to stick around, we will be going inside the car and just taking a look at some of the key functions and features it has to offer. So this multifunction steering wheel is leather wrapped and it does fit very comfortably in the hands. It enables you to give access to the dashboard display to display key information, but more on this later. We have the controls to headlights to the right, and then we have the central locking and wing mirror along with the window controls as well as the driver's door handle. Now, turning on the engine, we gain access to the car's functions. By simply pressing this button here, these functions can be activated directly. We have the driving data, our audio, telephone, vehicle status, and then we can see that we have low miles of 23,357 miles on the clock as well. And then if we just look on the left hand side, we can also gain access to our assist functions directly. Here we gain access to our speed limiter. Now on the infotainment screen, we have the radio, media, telephone, vehicle, app connect, our images, sound and settings. Now, if we make our way inside of the app connection, here is where we can gain access to the Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and MirrorLink. It's a fantastic feature that allows us to access stuff like Google Maps navigation, as Polos do not come standard with navigation, but you can access it directly through this feature from your phone. And if you like listening to music on all types of travels, you can then listen to the radio. Here you have access to a DAB radio, FM and AM radio stations. So now you can keep yourself entertained on most journeys. Very easy to access and very easy to maneuver. Whether you're into your music or sports, you can access that directly. Now, going into our media controls, here we have access to CD, SD card, USB, Bluetooth audio and AUX to keep ourselves entertained on most journeys, and down below is where you'll access this. Now, going into our park pilot, you'll notice we have our front and our back parking sensors that do fill us with confidence and safety throughout, ensuring we minimise the risk of damaging our car in any way. There's a great place like shopping centres where the parking's just a little bit too tight and can be quite daunting. All we'll do is just simply pop the car into reverse and you'll notice these sensors do automatically display, so now we can fill ourselves with confidence on every manoeuvre. Thank you for watching the video on the Volkswagen Polo, which is a part of our approved used scheme, which does include a minimum of 2 years Volkswagen approved used warranty, along with flexible finance packages available. For a personalised finance quote, or to book a test drive, or to contact us directly on 0161 825 8520, more than happy to provide more information on this vehicle.